Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Fox Drawing Skills. In this video we draw characters based on the game The Garten of Banban. Watch the video up to the end and you will see the drawing process step by step. So let's get started. In order for the paint to spread beautifully, you need to moisten the selected area with a brush well. When you dip your brush into the paint and touch into the paper, the paint will begin to spread and blend with the water. I moisten the entire figure and now apply bright paint all over the edge. Please share my video with a friend to help my channel grow. This is very important to me and I will be grateful. Practice drawing with me. I will help you make the process exciting and you will definitely like the result. Please support the development of my young channel and subscribe. Look, with the simple movements we create such beautiful illustration. Try to repeat and get your unique masterpiece. Hope to see you soon on my new tutorials. Let's draw together again. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe.